I know what you're thinking. I can't get a Copilot Plus PC by Snapdragon because I'm compromising. Well, think again. With Snapdragon X Series processors, it's all about performance, compatibility, and getting things done. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Let's quickly talk about what Copilot Plus PCs powered by Snapdragon X Series processors are and why they make a difference. Well, first off, they offer all-day, multi-day battery life. It has a fanless design and on-device AI that can be used even when you're offline. In fact, Snapdragon-powered Copilot Plus PCs are 5 times faster than a 5-year-old Windows PC still in use today. And this means unplugged performance, meaning that you will have the same speed and power whether you're plugged in or not. Up until now, I've been saying Snapdragon quite a bit, and you might be saying, I don't know what that is, who that is, and why I should care. Well, let me tell you, Snapdragon is in many, many devices that we all use every single day. Whether it's your smartphone, a car infotainment system, or even those really cool refrigerators that have a touchscreen on it. That's powered by Snapdragon. And it's all based off of ARM architecture. And again, if you say, I don't know why I should care, well, think of the last time that you really had to charge your phone on a daily basis. Nowadays, we can just use our phone without having to plug it in midday like we used to have to worry about. And so we bring that same technology to the laptop. But even after that, you might be saying, why should I care? 2 words. Unplugged performance. We're talking all-day, multi-day battery life on a laptop. This is something that if you told me 10 years ago you can go a number of days without having to worry about plugging this into the mains, I would not believe you. But here we are. You still get great performance from a Windows 11 PC, fantastic hardware design from our OEM partners, and of course, Surface. And you get fantastic AI features like Recall, Click to Do, and improved Windows search. But what about the apps? Are my apps gonna work? Yeah, they will. I won't get into the nitty-gritty of the computer science behind it all, but just know a lot of the apps, 90% of the apps that you use on your regular laptop or even desktop, those apps are being designed natively for Snapdragon-powered PCs. So if you think of apps like Microsoft Edge, Teams, the whole Microsoft 365 productivity suite, all of those are going to be available natively on Snapdragon-powered PCs. But what about the third-party apps? Apps designed by other non-Microsoft companies. Again, 90% of the apps that you know and love will have a native version for Snapdragon. And you, as the customer, don't have to do a thing. You just download it like you would normally download an app, whether it's through the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store, or directly from the website. And if there's a small chance that the app that you use doesn't have a native Snapdragon or ARM-based version, well, that's okay, because Prism will automatically emulate it for you. And you, once again, don't have to do a thing. Just open the app and Prism will go to work, and everything you expect the app to do will automatically run on an ARM-based computer. That's great. All the apps that you know and love will work natively on a Copilot Plus PC powered by Snapdragon, or it'll use the Prism emulator. But what about games? Can you play games on a Copilot Plus PC? Well, yeah. There are over 1,400 games that you can play on a Snapdragon-powered PC. And if you can't find them in the Xbox app, you can definitely find them through the Epic Game Store or even Steam. In fact, Epic has upgraded their anti-cheat system to work on a Copilot Plus PC. So that's really cool. Plus, if you don't want to spend time downloading the game and taking up space in your hard drive, you can always stream the game with Xbox Cloud Gaming, powered by Game Pass. And the one question, the most important question that I hear from so many of you when it comes to learning about Copilot Plus PCs powered by Snapdragon, will this work with my printer? Well, as of today, November 2025, there are over 8,500 printers that work with a Snapdragon-powered Copilot Plus PC. All you have to do is just add the printer in your Windows settings. So at the end of the day, who is this for? Well, if you've watched this video this far, you clearly want to know. So I'll tell you, it's for creators, professionals, really just everyday people. People that never want to have to worry about their battery life. People that want to be on the cutting edge of a great operating system with built-in AI functionality that can run either online or offline. People that want to have a smooth experience using the apps that they know and love. And so if you find that you fit into that, well then maybe Snapdragon is the heart of a Copilot Plus PC for you. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. Not only can you find us on this platform, but you can check us out over on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft in retail, go check out expertzone.microsoft.com. And so until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later.